Om Swastiastu. Introduce, my name is Dwi Swambu Putra, NIM 48. I am a moderator in group 7, where we will present a survey on architecture ecotourism located in Park Mumbul, Sange. The name of our group member from group 7. Okay. All right, let me explain the introduction. Tourist attraction survey. Preliminary discussion. Tourist attraction survey result. Data from the source of tourist object managers. Survey result from interview, overview, floor plan, and closing. Next, preliminary. Tourism is the development of tourism project offered out to tourists who have transferred from the development of mass tourism to alternative tourism. This is in line with the result of research conditioned by Demnick and Kopenhagen in Demnick and Friends Teguh 2013, which state currently tourists both domestic and foreign tourists. Then there's some more quality and from tourist destination and are insurally critical in choosing tourist destination, which are able of the optimal situation fully, even though the costs they insure are relatively expensive. Okay, highlight continued by my friend of discussion materi.
Okay, I will explain about discussion. Before that, introduce my name, Gede Cakra Yudayana, NIM 39. Mumbul Park is a tourist attraction that after Melukat activity as a tourism attraction. Melukat itself is a self-purification ritual in the form of the mind and soul spirituality in Hamas. It is that to remove the dirty influence plus in oneself spirituality. Although the Melukat tourist attraction is not new, Mumbul Park as it on come to tourists from the aspect of its strategic location and panorama that present the beauty of the environment. In addition to offering Melukat activities, Mumbul Park also profit is feeding activity in the lake, which is local outside the Mumbul Park and temple of a family tourist attraction after doing spiritual tourist. Next will be connected by my friend.
Okay, I will the presentation material from Cakra. Before that, I want to introduce myself. My name is Madi Dananjaya Adisasra, name 46. I will explain about tourist attraction survey result. The location of this research is Mumbul Park, Sange Village, Abian Semal District, Badung Regency. The method used use is descriptive exploratory, which emphasizes extracting more in-depth information and focus of the analysis objects to be achieved. Article 2006. This method is used to find out how the idle from management can be applied in Mumbul Park. It's a spiritual tourist attraction. Furthermore, they use Likert scale according to Sugiono 2007 to measure attitudes, opinions, and perception of a group person about the management of Mumbul Park as a spiritual tourism attraction, which will later be translated into indicator that can be measured. Next, I will explain about data from the first source of tourism object managers. Based on data from the first source of tourism object manager, name Igusti Agung Madhyadi Wijaya, age 55 years old, education DPLP, gender male, address Sangeh Village, origin native Sangeh Village. Next will be explained by my friend.
Okay, I will continue the presentation material from Dhananjaya. Before that, my name is Rahmadum. Name Pertip Park. Location of tourism subject survey in Sangeh Village, Abian Semal District, Badung, Regency. Tourism arrival and the Mumbul Park, Action West, December 2016. Total area of the facilities land area 1.2 hectare. Number of post-pandemic victory Oregon 16 victories and before the pandemic more than 16 victories. Availability and safety of the parking facilities at tourism erection location availability of parking facilities for motorbikes, car and outdoor facilities gases for rating or and there is also ventilan for example for meeting and other on toilet lobster for sungi lugay and lenti supplies for mulukat. How to get the location of the tourism action rexing the location density of relation to the location on way to way relation of public and private transportation. The program of the activities that can the in the surface tourism and fiction the tourism program of friend and also private fish food and place to relax. Subscription facilities ability at and survey tourism assertion. Supplies facilities available and the subject area survey and suitable for tourism to the visit. Who is the manager of the action survey? The manager of the action or an apple in X Banjar in Sangeh Village, we are son by village had to help managing the Mumbul Park to action. Next will be connected by my friend.
I will explain about survey resume from interview. Before that, introduction. My name is Kada Ira Kusuma, NIM 27. Second speaker, Gus Agung. Agi, 32 years. Education, high school, male Gangers. Address, Sange Village. Origin native, Sange Village. Income. The main income per day is uncertain due to the rise and fall of the number of visitors. Ownership of land or resident wills. Land owned by the contract village. A resource person include in tourism activities at the survey object. No, because the person acts at rather because there is already a manager from the village. How does the expense of tourists aspect social, culture, economy, live, and the surrounding environment? As is the view and observation of the informant. For the social improvement, there is no will from the culture improvement. It is I need no change in the implement, but the number of people who carry it out reduces to a pandemic situation like this. In the economy sector is a decrease income due to the reduction in visit to the pandemic like this. Hostnet review. Does the tourism object have a positive or negative impact on the life of the informant is family? This tourist address has a very positive aspect because this is where rents can give income the meet family needs. The next negative impact is a small no extent according to the data updating. Next.
Okay, I will explain about Albert Mira. Before that, introduce my name is Gede Cakradayana, NPM 39. I will explain about overview. Visiting attraction, tourist that about sustainable tourist development concept is being that from tourists. Bali as the best tourist destination in the world as the country in the polling spiritual tourist that now with 3 Hitakarana and one of them is Taman Mumbul. Their location in Desa Sange, Kecamatan Abian Semal, Kabupaten Badung. This tourist attraction is offering the spiritual attraction named by Melukat. But there is money constraint that need further handling by the manager in order to make a positive inspiration from the tourist perfection. The purpose of the share is from to know about tourist inspection and describing how the Delmin manager that can implement in Taman Mumbul. The data that is in the share is quantitative and qualitative. By observasi, documentation, literature, interview, and questionnaire. From data analysis, it has explorative, descriptive, and like scale with component of tourist destination and sustainable tourist accept. Next, I will continue my best friend.
Okay, thanks for your time. Introduce my name, Iko Mambosadi Kurniawan, NIM 40. I will continue the presentation from my friend. The result from this research indicates the tourist perception for Taman Mumbul. Management get a good judgment, although there's aspect in facility variable obtain a bad judgment. And then it formulate into the ideal management from the container about protection of security and comfort, community empowerment, and preservation of natural and cultural environment. In conclusion, the management have done a good performance, but I will be better if that alleviate the constraints that they have faced in order to create tourist satisfaction when they come to Taman Mumbul. Next.
Okay. This is and is location of the Mumbul Park. The Mumbul Park has one tilam, 3 balai, bengong, and of course because it's a visual tourism, the Mumbul Park is get a real form lukat kel Pancoran Sola. Today we will continue by my friend. Study case.
Okay, I will continue the presentation material from we study case. Mumbul Park also prevent fish feeding activities in the lake, which is located off-site the Mumbul Park and temple as family tourism action after doing visual tourism. Next will be me continued by my friend.
I'm Dhananjaya. I will continue the presentation material from Manom. Melukat, it's self-purification ritual in the form of the mind and soul spirit in humans. This is done to remove the dirty influence or klesa in oneself. Spiritual, although the Melukat tourist attraction is not new Mumbul Park, as it's one charm for tourists from the aspect of its strategic location and panorama that present the beauty of the environment in addition to offering scavenging activities. Next will be present by my friend.
This is the extent of Dwi Saraswati or Santo Karam Pancoran Sola. Ara is the belief to be able to with your understanding can to test the process the best with it, so that the knowledge program can be useful for yourself and society. The money are also visited by school children who are choosing. Closing.
Okay, I will continue my friend presentation. Closing. Based on the problems and result and discussion about the management of Mumul Park. As spiritual tourism attraction, it can be clouded as follows. Tourist perception of the management of Mumul Park tourist attraction generally result in a good assessment. Some indicators that produce a very good perception include temples, strategic location, routes to other tourist attraction, road conditions at the location, good lookers, lookout clothes, and coolness. On the other hand, their facility variables obtain the lowest score with the perception of sufficient and insufficient are parking, toilet, and phone stalls. That's all for the presentation from our group. We say thank you. Maybe someone has a question.